welcome to Srimaths. Today we are going to study the topic, very important topic, differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation means a change in a parameter. Then for example, we consider a function y in terms of another parameter means changing variable. Here y and x are parameters. Then differentiation means change in one parameter with respect to another parameter. Y equal to fx, y and x are parameters. Then change. Consider a function y equal to fx. In general, y equal to fx. That is, y is a function in variable x. We can take any function, x square plus 3, x cube, x raised to 4 plus 5, x minus 1. Then y is a function in variable x. Then we denote the change by dy by dx, dy by dx, that is d by dx of y. We call this process as differentiation, and the fact we get after the process differentiation, we get the value as derivative. The term derivative d by dx of y, that is derivative of y with respect to x. If y is a function in z, that is consider a function y equal to 2z square, then we have to find out not dy by dx, dy by dz. D by dz, change in respect to change of y with respect to z, dy by dz. We call that derivative of y with respect to z. This process is known as differentiation. Change in parameters with respect to another parameter. Here there are two parameters, y and x. That is the variable which can change. That is y equal to x square. Consider the function y equal to x square, y equal to fx. That is, if y is a function in x, we have to find out d by dx of y. That is, dy by dx is called a derivative of y with respect to x. That is a change in one parameter, change in parameter y with respect to x. That is dy by dx. This process is known as differentiation, and d by dx of y is derivative of y, parameter y, with respect to the another parameter x. If y is a function in z, instead of finding dy by dx, we find d by dz of that function, d by dz of y. That is dy by dz, derivative of y, parameter y, with respect to the another parameter z. If the function in terms of t, y equal to or m equal to t cube, then dm by dt, that is d by dt of t cube, that is derivative of m with respect to another parameter. Here m and t are the parameters, variable, changing variables. Change in one parameter with respect to another parameter is known as the process differentiation. Then doing like this, consider a function y equal to x square, then we have to find we got a term dy by dx, that is d by dx of y. This is written as d by dx of y. D by dx means derivative. You have to by heart this differentiation formula. By heart this differentiation formula. D by dx of x raised to n means derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. For example, d by dx of x raised to 10 equal to 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1. That is 10x raised to 9. D by dx of x raised to 25, 25x raised to 24, 25 minus 1. Then d by dx of root x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. You have to by heart these formulas when studying differentiation. D by dx of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of 1 by x. 1 by x means d by dx of 1 by x means x raised to minus 1, that is minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 1 into x raised to minus 2, that is minus 1 by d വരുമ്പോൾ x raised to 2, അതാണ് minus 1 by x square വന്നത്. In the same way, d by dx of x raised to minus n, that is d by dx of x raised to minus n is minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1, that is minus n into x raised to minus of n plus 1, minus common factor എടുക്കുക, that is minus n into x raised to minus n plus 1 means 1 by x raised to n plus 1, that is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. Derivative of x raised to minus n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1, that is x raised to 1 by x raised to n derivative minus n by x raised to n plus 1. d by dx of x is 1, that is d by dx of x means d by dx of x, that is dx by dx is 1. d by derivative of x is 1. d by dx of log x is 1 by x. d by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. d by dx of log x is 1 by x. d by dx of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. You have to by heart this 7 formula when studying differentiation. d by dx of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of 1 by x എങ്ങനെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? x raised to minus 1 എടുക്കുക, n into x raised to minus 1, minus 1 x raised to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 x raised to minus 2, that is minus 1 into 1 by x. This d by dx of 1 by x raised to n minus n by x raised to n plus 1. In the similar manner, we write d by dx of x raised to minus n, that is minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1. Consider three functions of y and t are the parameters. Then we have to find out for derivating, for the process of differentiation, we take dy by dt instead of dy by dx, because here another parameter is not x but t. The derivative of y with respect to t, that is derivative of y means d by dt of this function t plus 1. Therefore this is a function in t. Then we get the d by dt of t plus 1 is known as derivative. നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന എന്താണോ അതാണ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്. ഈ പ്രോസസ്സിനെയാണ് ഡിഫറൻഷിയേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഡിഫറൻഷിയേഷൻ ഈസ് ദ ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ വൺ പാരാമീറ്റർ വിത്ത് റെസ്പെക്ട് ടു അനദർ പാരാമീറ്റർ. കൺസിഡർ എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ y equal to z cube. Then we have to write dy by dz instead of dy by dx. dy by dz means d by dz of y, that is derivative of y function y, parameter y with respect to another parameter z, dy by dz. If y is in terms of m, y and m are here the parameters, then the change of y with respect to m is denoted by dy by dm, that is d by dm of y. This process is known as differentiation. Here the parameters are, in the first case, y and t. Change of y with respect to another parameter t. Change of y with respect to the parameter z, that is denoted by dy by dz, is known as derivative of y function with respect to z. Here y and z are parameters. This process is known as differentiation, that is dy by dz is known as derivative of y with respect to z. dy by dx is known as derivative of y with respect to x. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ലതുപോലെ മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കട്ടെ. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാരിലേക്കും ഇത് എത്തിക്കുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ. താഴെ കാണുന്ന ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്താൽ ഞാനിടുന്ന വീഡിയോസിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്. താങ്ക് യു.